Now let's get started. So today we will be doing simple past tense. Simple past tense, as I told you, it is the most useful tense and most crucial tense. Crucial means important. Better word for important. Why it is most important? Because it's easy to remember first form. Sometimes it is easy to remember third form also. But it's quite difficult to remember the second form. In this we always use second form, and that's why you people commit mistake while speaking. So let's have the rule, and the ending. I always tell you ending in Hindi so that you can remember easily. Ending in Hindi is tha, thi and the. For example, हम मनाली गए थे. कोई भी इंसिडेंट आप बताते हो अपनी लाइफ का, कोई लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस बताते हो, हम घूमने गए थे, हमने पार्टी की थी. So that is always in past tense. So you have to remember this. All the sentences will end with हम गए थे, हमने enjoy किया था, हमने boating की थी, any activity you performed. Okay, so all the incidents which you tell in, that you always tell in past tense. So that's why it is the most crucial tense. So the rule is subject, main verb, second form and object. Rule seems to be so simple. इतना easy है, जल्दी से हो जाएगा. But when it comes to speaking, तब वहाँ पे बहुत problem आती है बच्चों को. So let's make sentences now. We celebrated Diwali last month. So second form of celebrate is celebrated. ed वाले तो बहुत easy होते हैं. Then you hardly commit mistake in that. But when it comes to change of the forms of verb, for example, हमने नए कपड़े पहने थे. How would you say? Who will tell me? No, तुषार will tell me. हमने नए कपड़े पहने थे दिवाली पे. Now wear is the first form, right? So this happens while speaking. ये problem आती है बोलते हुए. So second form of wear is wore. So we wore new clothes हो जाएगा. Okay, on Diwali. Second sentence, this is my favorite idiom. I painted the town red with my family. So whole idiom is painted the town red. As I promised, I will be telling you vocabulary along with the tenses. So painted the town red also means to enjoy. Whenever you want to say I enjoyed a lot, so it is again very common and obsolete. Obsolete means outdated. So enjoy, everybody uses enjoy word, na? So you try to use some different word and use this idiom. I painted the town red with my family. मतलब मैंने अपनी family के साथ बहुत enjoy किया था. Anywhere you can use. I painted the town red on my birthday. I painted the town red with my friends last weekend. Anywhere you can use it. Now, again, the reason why 99% students commit mistake in past tense is this. The second rule. Yeah. Subject did not, but with did. Always remember, we'll use first form. We'll never use second form in negative. So people think it is negative, and so we can use second form easily. So what mistakes they commit? For example, he did not invited me. I didn't knew. So this is wrong. Never use second form with did. बस दिमाग में बिठा लो, जैसे did आ गया तो first form ही आनी है. For example, he did not invite his relatives on luncheon. Now what is luncheon? What is lunch? Lunch, everybody knows what is lunch. What is luncheon? Lunch is something related to lunch is there, but what is huh? खाना. लंच इज खाना ओनली, बट किस टाइप का खाना? लंचन. इसे लंच जो है वो हम सब अपने घर पे करते हैं, ठीक है? ग्रुप लंच और फॉर्मल लंच. जब आपको कोई इनवाइट करता है स्पेशली लंच पे, किसी के घर जाते हो तैयार श्यार हो गए, उसको बोलते हैं लंचन. ऑब्सोलीट मीन्स आउटडेटेड, जो अब हाँ फैशन में नहीं है आप. Okay, as I told you that some words enjoy and everything, they are obsolete now, means you should not use them. Use something different if you want to stand out of the crowd. Okay, so try to use some better words in your language. Now let's make interrogative. So obviously same helping verb will be used. So WH family will come in the starting. Whenever you make question, first thing is WH family, but it is optional. मतलब आप ये लगा भी सकते हो, नहीं भी लगा सकते. It depends on your question. So WH family, did, subject, main verb, first form, and object. This is the rule. Now let's make example without WH family first. Did you beat him black and blue? Meaning of black, to beat black and blue, I have told you earlier. Very good. मार मार के भरता बना देना. So did you beat him black and blue? क्या तुमने उसका मार मार के भरता बना दिया? क्या तुमने उसे बहुत मारा? Now you can put WH family also here. Then meaning will be why did you beat him black and blue? भाई क्यों मारा उसको तुमने इतना, है ना? Then you can put WH family. So it will be like this. Clear? Both positive, negative and interrogative. Okay then. Now it's your turn to make sentences and drop it in the comment.